Wholeness and balance vibrations, everybody. Today is day 6 of the choosing fasting, and yes, a very nice day. It's getting a little bit cold, so I'm gonna hold the video log short. Yeah, I have everything written down, so I actually know what is in the juice. So in the juice that I had today, it was a green one, medicinal in a way. I have a lot of things in there, so I'm just gonna dive right into it. So in this juice we had 12 apples, 1.5 cucumber, 6 pears, 7 limes, 2 bags of grapefruits, 10 to 15 kiwis, 1 paprika, and 2 ginger. So yeah, that gave it all. Everything was like all green and stuff. So yeah, I really enjoyed it. The whole thing that I had, it could like last for it can actually last for 2 days because it was a lot. If you saw the video yesterday, the 2 bottles that I had. In terms of activities, I didn't like really do a lot of, let me see, rhythmic movements, but I did go out. I went to the hospital to get someone out of the hospital, and it was actually very interesting just to sit outside and watch people and how people are taking this whole COVID situation. And yeah, it's also very interesting to see that people who are wearing masks, they're actually really afraid of walking next to someone who doesn't have a mask on, because I'm comfortable going out without a mask, but that's also like very interesting to see. But anyway, we're not talking about that, right? So another thing that I just did some administrative work. Now there is one thing that I found very interesting that can be helpful for people who have it can be helpful to ease you with hunger. So what I do is actually in the morning I'll start with drinking just a glass of water, and then I'll drink some tea, but I'm going to be really mindful about drinking the tea. So what I mean by that is like I'm not going to do anything else. It's getting cold. I'm not going to do anything else. I'll just like take the tea, take like 2 to 3 minutes, really connect with the tea. I know it sounds strange, right? So it's just like you connect with the tea, drink it, and then just feel the warmth running through your system, and then just drink it with any pace that feels comfortable for you. And then after that you wait 5 to 6 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, and then you drink your juice, 1 or 2 glasses. That should take you throughout the day, and then in the night before you go to sleep, you end your day with the tea. So that is something that is actually helpful in terms of like if you're really feeling hunger. With the fasting, everything has to do with the intention. So always like when you feel like as if you are hungry, always fall back to your intention. Ask yourself, why are you doing this in the first place? If your intention is strong enough and your conviction is there, it should beat the hunger very easy. So yeah, just hanging there, guys. If it's your first time, I know it's not easy, but it will get easier as you conquer the challenges that come your way. It's really getting cold out here, so I think I'm gonna end the video right here, and I'm gonna go inside. Tomorrow is going to be a very, very interesting day. So with all that being said, guys, hang in there. This is day 6. We're almost 1/3 of our fast. I will be seeing you tomorrow on day 7. So take care, stay well, and be healthy. Wholeness and balanced vibrations. Victorious Legit. I'm checking out.